Okay, I'm going to do an experiment here. I am in my little bathroom that I'm trying to remodel still. It's a small room. It's 6 by 6 with an 8-foot ceiling. So roughly 288 square feet of airspace. I mean, a little bit less now if you take out for the space the tub and the toilet that's in here. But roughly we'll say 288 square feet of airspace. I have my nice little Defiance #2 cold blast burning in here. It's only been going for a couple of minutes while it's getting everything set up. And I have a CO2 detector. And I want to see how much CO2 this puts out, or if it puts any out. This is a freshly cleaned lantern. Just restored this one last week. So it's got a clean tank, brand new wick, brand new kerosene. This is actually Klean Heat that's in there. And it burns actually pretty clean. There's a little bit of smell that you smell, which is actually kind of nice. And I want to see how we do. It has alarm set off to go off at 100 parts per million, which is the end of the safe limit. Now I did test this room before I came in here, and it was at 0. So that'll give us a starting point. And like I say, I've only been here for a couple of minutes. It's a nice light. It's a super cool, very nice lantern. We're about the 4-minute mark, and our CO detector has come down to 0. If I accidentally say CO2 in this video, please forgive me. I'm a paramedic, and we're always dealing with CO2 numbers. I'll throw that out there by habit, but it is CO. And we're coming up on just the 4-minute mark. Putting out a nice little bit of heat. It'd probably warm this little room in here. The smell's still very nice. Should be coming up on the 5-minute mark now. We are still at 0. I'll be back in a few minutes, probably around the 10-minute mark. Okay, we're back. We're at the 10-minute mark. Still burning nice and well. This is flowing air the way it's supposed to. The tubes are nice and warm. Look at our CO detector, and we are still at 0. Now, notice it has been kind of flashing between 5 and 0. I think that's just the sensor going off. But let's consider this, because CO is lighter than air. I'm going to hop up here and put this up at the ceiling level. That's why we mount our CO detectors, smoke detectors at the ceiling. Looks like it's trying to sense something, but it's not settling on a number. So it is sniffing. It does the same thing at a lower level, so it's really not detecting anything yet. Another reason I chose this room is it also has a vent fan, so when I get through this, I can pull the air out of the room after I fall. It's not picking anything yet. What if we put it into the flow of the warm air coming off of the lantern? Still sniffing, but not picking up anything really measurable. So I'll be back at the 15-minute mark. All right, we're back. We're actually at the 16-minute mark. We still are showing no concentration of CO in the house or in this room. Let's check the ceiling again. Give it some time to sense anything. Still no measurable CO in the room. Alright, we will check back in just a couple minutes. 20-minute mark. Alright, back again. We're at the 20-minute mark. Check our CO. Still sniffing. Not finding anything measurable still. Let's go up high. Turn the light on, it might be easier to see. Not settling on anything. It's sniffing. We'll get 5 more minutes. Alright, back once again. We're now at the 25-minute mark. Look at our CO detector. And nothing has really changed. It's a little faster flashes between the numbers when it's sniffing, but it's still not registering any parts per million. Okay, we'll try it high again. Towards the ceiling. All right. Well, let's just give it a little more time and we'll check back. All right, we're at the 30-minute mark in this little room. Look at our scanner. Still sniffing. Not coming up with any significant or measurable CO in this 288 square or cubic foot of airspace room. This is a 7/8 inch wick. It is trimmed. It is bringing a proper level. Everything is clean, which is how it should be. And we're putting off no traceable levels of CO2.